What's up, you guys? Eddie at Fliptroniks. So I'm going to be showing you how to set up a VPN on your phone in 2019 and beyond. Alright, so there's three reasons you'd want to be using a VPN. The first one being that you want more privacy. You want to be able to fake your location, have Google not be able to track you. You want to access restricted websites not available in your country. And then, of course, the third reason, you want to stream things like movies and other content without getting hit up by your service provider saying you're doing something illegal. Now, I kind of need all three, honestly, but the VPN we're going to be going over in this video is going to be NordVPN. They're my top recommendation, especially if you're planning on streaming any kind of video content. All right, I'm going to actually hop over to their main website before I even open up the app, and I'll throw a link in the description if you want to check them out or learn more about them. So I've been using Nord for about 2 years. It's great for both Android and iOS. They've got an amazing app, which, like I said, I'm going to log into in a second. But as far as servers, they've got over 5,000 servers across 61 different countries, which basically means there's just a ton of different locations you can connect to. Other than that, they've got some really nice features for security. They've got military-grade encryption on here, and they use a double VPN, which basically just takes you through one VPN to another VPN. It makes it impossible for anybody to track you. Now, this is not going to be a free VPN. I'm going to tell you why you should opt in to get a paid VPN, and the reason is that they're just more reliable. They don't disconnect, and that's the biggest issue I've had with the free VPNs I've used, over the years. They just don't work right. They're filled with ads, and then of course, they just disconnect, and there's really no point to using a VPN if it's not going to work. It costs $11 a month to use right now, so I mean, it's basically the same price as Netflix, and that's pretty much like the standard rate if you're looking at any VPN across any other site right now. Okay, anyways, I'm logged into Nord, and the really cool thing here is that they've got a built-in map feature. This is one of the only VPN services out there that offers this. Normally they just show you different areas you can connect to, but for example, I'm in the US, but like, let's say that I want to make it look like I'm in Canada. I could click this little blue dot, press the quick connect button, and then literally within seconds I'm going to have a completely new IP address, and it's going to look like I'm actually located in Canada when I'm not. I'm going to disconnect. Another way that you can browse on here, you can just go alphabetically for different countries. You can also go for different states within the US, but like let's pull up another area here. Let's go for Iceland. I like the Iceland. All right, so it's going to pull you up on the map, and then after a few seconds, it's going to give you that active VPN connection again, and then you're pretty much good to go. I mean, that's basically how it works. It's really that easy. But like I said, the other thing about connections on here, they stay connected, and Nord's pretty much been my go-to. Like I said, I've been using them for a couple of years, but I stream a lot of different video through my phone, whether it's on MovieBox or other sites, and I just want to keep myself safe. But privacy is definitely a big issue, I think, for people. So anyways, if you're looking for the best VPN to be using on your phone in 2019 and beyond, I definitely recommend Nord. They've got an amazing app, and like I said, they're just the one that I use the most. So I'll throw a link in the description if you want to check them out or learn more about them. Hit me up below in the comments if you have any questions. I'll get back to you. Thanks for watching it, guys, and we will see y'all later.